Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have a Whirlpool dryer that needs a door actuator replacement on it. So as soon as the door is open while it's on, it will never shut off unless you turn it to the off position. So this is super easy to do, and it takes 4 screws and a little bit of pry tools to get to it. However, you need a screwdriver, a pry tool, and you need the part itself. So now I'm taking the process, or doing the process for you. You have to pull out the lint trap. You have 2 screws that you need to take out. These are just Phillips screws. And then you take the pry tool at either one of the sides. I will show you here in a second. And I'll have everything linked down in the description if you need it. Now they're different models, so do take it with a grain of salt that your unit may not be the exact one, but if you do have a unit like this, it may be the same one. So you take this pry tool, you compress those clips, and basically you're able to lift up the top and expose the unit itself. So if you see any lint that's on the top or around any of these controls, I would just go ahead and vacuum it out. So that way it kind of, reduces your chance of a fire hazard in the future. So to get to the piece, you open the door. There is 2 screws that you need to take out. These are 2 Phillips screws, and then you will be able to take out the door actuator. Once that's out, you go inside the unit on top and pull it out. You will have to take like a little flathead because it is a little hard to compress that clip to fully remove it. And then it's pretty self-explanatory of removing the old, putting the new one in, repeating the whole process over again, putting those 2 screws back in the door, and then you bring the top down. You put in the 2 screws to the top of the lint trap, put the lint trap in, and you test and make sure everything's working perfectly. Now, if that didn't fix your issue, you may have another issue. Now, I won't really have any expertise in that field as far as fixing the rest of it. So if you do have it, leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.